Good morning viewers, Grados News is back to greet you today. I'm Nadi Fatul,
I, Ziko Julian.
bringing you the latest news to accompany you throughout your activities. Among today's news, we have a report about divorce cases in Tasikmalaya Regency. The divorce rate in Tasikmalaya this year shows a decline compared to 2023, which saw nearly 4,129 cases. Meanwhile, from January to October 2024, the religious court handled 3,699 divorce cases. Surprisingly, the majority of these cases were initiated by wives filing for divorce from their husband.
There were 2,751 cases of wife-initiated divorce and 948 cases of husband-initiated divorce. Several factors contribute to this divorce, including early marriage, infidelity, financial issues, and constant conflict. Reading this divorce, that every 12 results in custody requests being filed in courts. Our correspondent in the field will provide more detail. Over to you.
Early marriages in Tasikmalaya Regency involve children under the age of 19, with some cases occurring due to premarital pregnancies. In the last 3 years, there have been 1,649 early marriages, most of which were handled with marriage dispensation. As many as 5% of marriages in 2022 were due to premarital pregnancies. Tasikmalaya Regency, West Java, recorded a significant number of early marriages. This phenomenon is driven by social factors like poor parental supervision and less than ideal parenting patterns. Social media and technology also influence children's relationship. Increasing the risk of early marriage, the Ministry of Religion of Tasikmalaya Regency is seeking a solution by holding a course for prospective brides and grooms associating to provide education. While the Regional Indonesian Child Protective Commission (KPIAD) is also working with the education office to prevent early marriage.
Divorces cases determinants program. The Religion Car of Tasikmalaya Regency handle divorces cases determinants program, where this case is almost the highest rate of divorces problem, around 99%. One of the happened to the couple BD and US who had been married for 25 years. US used to work as a casual laborer but stopped working years ago to salon income and a girl factor. BD was just a housewife, while added kids because US did not support her family and did not try to find a new job. The family's economic condition was very dependent on the help of BD's sibling. Finally, after arrest, BD filed for divorces and effort to find a more stable life for herself and their children.
A man with the initial ER from Tasikmalaya City reported to the Tasikmalaya City Police on July 28, 2023 after finding out that his wife, SRA, was having an affair with a man with the initial SEN. In its report, ER complained about several cases, including infidelity, adultery, and alleged abortion that SIL and SEN had carried out at an RSIA. ER attorneys Suparno and Nurita explained that SIL was suspected of being pregnant as a result of her affair and planning an abortion without her husband's knowledge. They also reported hospital and doctor who performed abortion considering the act to be a conspiracy that violated the husband's right. This case began when ER found evidence of infidelity after saying his wife taking medicine for an injury uterus. According to his attorney, the affair has been going on since March 2022. Now ER wants to demand justice for his immoral act and hopes that this case can be thoroughly investigated by the police. Head of Public Relations for the Tasikmalaya City Police, Ibda Jajang Kurniawan, stated that the report had been classified and the police were conducting an investigation and examining relevant witnesses.
The abuse was carried out by a man with the initials RPS against his wife, mother-in-law, and sister-in-law. The perpetrator with the initials RPS, age 30, while the victims were his wife, mother-in-law, and sister-in-law. The abuse took place after the victim performed the Maghrib prayer and recited the Quran and was revealed on Tuesday, October 24, 2023. The incident took place at the victim's house in Tasikmalaya, West Java. The perpetrator was arrested in a hut in a hilly area when he was about to escape. The motive for the abuse was hurt and revenge. RPS could not accept it because the victim divorced him religiously. Even though they were not officially divorced, he became even angrier because the victim often uploaded a status on social media that mentions other men. The perpetrator brought a kitchen knife and attacked the victim at her house. The police managed to arrest him when he tried to escape from Tasikmalaya. Evidence in form of a knife, clothes, and a blood-stained Quran was secured.
A custody dispute over baby occurred between the couple Pipin Patrudin and unknown Siti Zainab and their relatives, Aziz and Nenda, after going viral. The baby was finally returned to its biological parents. The parties involved were Pipin and unknown as the baby biological parents, and Aziz and Nenda, the relative who cared for the baby. This problem was resolved on Saturday, February 19, 2022, and the dispute of West Java resolved it the day. The incident occurred in Rewapeneng Village, Ligamulya Village, Lewisari District, Tasikmalaya Regency, West Java. The problem occurred because unknowingly signed the letter of transfer of custody of the baby to Aziz and Nenda. After 2 months, the baby parents wanted to take custody back, but there was an agreement. After being mediated by the Tasikmalaya Regency, KPIID, and a visit from the deputy governor West Java, Aziz and Nenda finally returned the baby to Pipin and Unknown and refused assistance with medical expense from the government.
That's all the news we have for today. I'm Ziko Julian.
And I'm Nari Patul, signing off. See you on the next edition of Grados News.